Todos, how are you? Como allez-vous? Je vais bien. So let's do today Enchanté 2, leçon troisième. Okay? Enchanté 2, leçon troisième. The name of the chapter is Les Zabit. Les Zabit. Okay? Reading we will do later. Let's do this part. Okay? So this I'm going to teach today. In this chapter, we will cover le verb as, okay, and then le verb er, es, okay. Let's do this. So, students, we have already done uh, the verb er, okay. Er verb we have already done, right? Let's do. We have already done. Let's do this. In French, the verb is divided into three categories. Trois types de verb. Le premier verbe er, deuxième verbe ir, troisième verbe er. See, on a déjà fini. We have already done this in the previous videos. This we will do today. Okay, but I will teach you this again for the recap. Okay, see now what how you will tell that these verbs are er verb. The endings terminative is a r. Let's take an example. Écouter, see, ending er. There are many more. In the previous video, I taught you conjugation of parley verb. We have already done. Today I'm taking this one. So écouter means to listen, सुनना. जैसे मैं म्यूजिक सुनती हूँ, मैं म्यूजिक सुन रही हूँ. ठीक है? Right? Let's do. What is the rule, students? A, evite. You have to remove this. This is the base, which is known as bas in French and also known as radical. You are left with this. We have to use this part of the verb. Okay, one more thing. The verb which is not conjugated. Okay, let's just remember these. This is not the conjugated verb. This is a root verb. It is known as infinitive verb. Infinitive. Infinitive means which is not conjugated. L'infinitive. Okay. Another thing is, so when for conjugation, evite a this is known as bas. You are left with bas. Okay. Let's conjugate this. In er verb, there is a rule how with je I will use my bas, j'écoute and ajouter. Ajouter means add karo a. Okay, students, we have already done this in the previous chapter. You can see the detailed video that it is just the recap I'm doing right now. El use bas ajouter a. Il écoute, nous écoutons ONS with vous écoutez. Okay, EZ, il, elle écoute, ONT. Right, students? So this is ER verb conjugation. Let's do IR verb. Now again, how we will come to know that this is IR. The ending is IR. Let's take an example. Finir, grandir. There are many more. Okay. Let's conjugate the verb, any of them. Finir. Let's take this. This is finir. Now tell me what we call this verb which is not conjugated. L'infinitive. Okay. Let's conjugate for conjugation. Er, evite, er. You are left with this. This is your radical bas. Okay. Now let's do what? Je. Here, what will be the terminazo? Es. Je finis. Tu finis. Il, elle. Fini. Okay. Es. Ite. Nous. Finissons. Vous finissez, elle finisse. Got it? Easy. Just do lot of practice and it is done. So how you will make the sentence with this? See, job fini means मैं करती हूँ या मैंने कर लिया. Oh sorry, मैं कर रही हूँ. जैसे मैंने कहना है मैंने अपना काम खत्म कर लिया. Let's make sentence. Je finis mon devoir. मतलब मैंने अपना होमवर्क कर लिया. Tu finis कुछ भी लिख दो. ton devoir. तूने अपना काम खत्म कर लिया. You are doing your work or you do your work. Tu finis ton devoir. यहाँ पे भी j'écoute de la musique. है ना? Tu écoutes, you are listening what or you listen what? Tu écoutes de la radio means radio सुन रहा है. ठीक है? So once you learn the conjugation students, you can make adding an object, make any sentence. Okay? So if you understood this, if you are making sentences by yourself and you are confused whether it is right or not, just type your sentences in the comment box. Okay? I will reply and even explain you each and everything. Here, I would like to discuss one more sentence, one more, sorry, conjugation, that is the verb choisir. Here, the student, a little confusion. That's why I'm discussing this. Ayer, evite ayer. Now I will use this. Je choisis. Now, what happened? This is my radical. And see, ending also this is. है ना? एंडिंग भी यही लगानी है. तो स्टूडेंट यहीं पे छोड़ देते हैं. नो, ये अपने पहले रेडिकल लिखना है फिर आईएस एंडिंग, क्योंकि इसमें डबल होगी चीज़ें. तो ऐसी कोई भी वर्ब आएगी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन राइट रेडिकल. यू शुड सी एल एल सी. Write down first of all this and then iso. Okay. Vous choisissez. Right. So what happened? So I have like seen the students, they just forget this. Even if they do this correct, they forgot to write this and left with this only. No, first of all, write down your like radical and then write it complete. So everything is double here. Okay.